everyone. Welcome to the 5-hour fascinating boat journey at Alleppey, the Venice of the East in Kerala, in Vega 2 catamaran. Vega 2 is owned and operated by Kerala State Water Transport Department. It is located at the center of the town near to KSRTC bus stand. There is pay and park facility available opposite to the jetty. Trip starts at 11 am and it's very comfortable for people who come from little far. The boat sails through Punnamada, Vembanad backwaters, Mohama, Padiramanal Island, Kumaragam, R Block, Marthandan, Chittra, C Block, and finally would return to Alleppey around 4 pm. This boat has 40 AC seats and 80 non-AC seats. Total of 120 people can travel on the boat, which can cruise at a maximum speed of 15 nautical miles. This is a non-AC cabin. The ticket fare is 400 rupees for non-AC and 600 rupees for AC. This is a seating arrangement and life jacket is provided under each seat. When you open the door from here, you will enter into the AC cabin. Toilet is provided at the back side of the boat. One of the crew member welcoming and giving instructions before the trip starts. There are different categories of passengers from senior citizens, families, group of friends and solo travelers like me. Alleppey Boat Jetty is located along a narrow canal in the heart of the town and is a terminal point for many regular passenger boats operating services to neighboring places. It's a nice view seeing lots of shikara boats at the sides of the canal. These canals are historically significant as they were the primary trade routes for centuries since the reign of Raja Keshavadas, the mastermind in designing this town. This is one district in Kerala where canals are as important as roads in connectivity and trading. Now we are entering into Punnamada Lake, leaving the narrow canal behind. Punnamada Kayal is famous for hosting the annual Nehru Trophy boat race institutionalized by India's first Prime Minister who visited this region in 1952. The first ever boat race was conducted to honor when the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru visited Alappuzha. On his way to Alleppey from Kottayam, the people of Alappuzha, escorted by the huge snake boats, gave him a roaring reception. Having gone through the tremendous excitement of sailing in a snake boat, he donated a silver trophy in the form of a snake boat after he returned to Delhi. Hence the race would later go on to be named the Nehru Trophy Boat Race. From now on, you can see n number of houseboats on the way. As you can see, a long fleet of houseboats are idling at the bank. plenty of waterfront resorts and homestays on the way. There are expansive viewing decks both to the front and at the back, which are open to passengers in the course of the journey. Currently, we are in Vembanad Lake. It is the longest lake in India as well as the largest lake in the state of Kerala. And it is the second largest Ramsar site in India, only after the Sundarbans in West Bengal. It spreads across different districts of Kerala. Now we are reaching Pathiramanal Island. Pathiramanal, a natural uninhabited island spread over 19 hectares surrounded by Vembanad Lake. The name Pathiramanal means midnight sand. It is the only one stop on this journey. By around 1 p.m. the boat reaches a small jetty here where it will halt for the next 30 minutes so that the passengers can take a walk in the island. Home to many varieties of butterflies, dragonflies, spiders, trees, plants, creepers, and home to many rare varieties of migratory birds from different parts of the world. Some time back, Pathiramanal was under private ownership. Later, it came under government ownership and rehabilitated the workers residing in the island to Muhamma Panchayat. As we walk through the island, we can see a small temple in the name of Sri Narayana Guru at the other end of the island. which was arranged at the Batak by Kudumbashree Mission. For ₹100, they provided a decent traditional Kerala lunch. Now we are moving towards the shores of one of the famous tourist places in Kerala called Kumarakom, which is located in Kottayam district. After Kumarakom shores, we would be entering into Kuttanad. This place is known as Kerala's rice bowl. It is one of the few places in the world where farming is done below the sea level. Kuttanad is a delta region formed by the merging of several rivers like Pamba, Manimalayar, Achenkovil and Meenachil with the Vembanad Lake. And some of the part here were reclaimed from the Vembanad Lake to cultivate rice when the region was affected with food crisis. A person named Muriken Joseph was behind the transformation of this place into a thriving agricultural land during the time of World War II. Later, he named the obtained paddy fields after members of the royal family of Travancore as Rani, Chitira and Marthandan to express his gratitude for their support. Pumping out the excess water from the farmland, there will be lots of fishes too in the water. These birds are aiming for that. Now we are going back to Alleppey and again we are going through Punnamada Lake. this trip. It was a very relaxing and enjoyable journey, and I would like to appreciate the gentle and friendly behavior of the staff.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Your feedback and suggestions are really valuable. Please do it in the comment section.